Wolves are members of the canine family. Foxes are part of the canine family. Dogs are too. Gray wolves are a lot like dogs, but they are much bigger and heavier. Gray wolves live in North America, Asia, and Europe. They live in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even deserts. Wolves have thick fur and bushy tails to keep them warm. They are very smart and social animals. Family is important. They live in family groups or packs of 7 to 8 wolves. They live and hunt together. Wolves have excellent hearing and a great sense of smell. This helps them hunt the animals they eat, such as caribou, wild boar, or moose. Unlike dogs, wolves are carnivores. They only eat meat. Wolves are fast runners, but not too fast. However, they can run all day and night if they need to. A wolf mother has one group of babies called a litter each year. A baby is called a cub or a pup. There are about 200,000 to 250,000 gray wolves in the wild.